Hello. Okay, this is another type of equation involving logarithms. So, but this case, the base happen to be the same, right? Happen to be the same. So what you have to do is, you don't need to use the formula for changing the base because the base already the same, right? So what you need to do is maybe you need to do something so that you can compare and equate this both sides. So maybe the log, okay, I think the best is the log, bringing up x plus 2 to the power of 2, right? You can bring it up. Then now you can see that 2x plus 19. So this is a concept where if you have log, right? If you have log that have a same base, for example, both sides, single logarithm. So if you have a, you have b, you can directly compare that. You can say that a must be, these two equal and the base are the same. Of course, these two must be also the same, right? If you said they already equal, then you have to equal the function inside. So same thing here. We don't talk about cancelling. Divide both sides by log base c. This is a very wrong concept. If you divide, if you used to say, oh, divide both sides by log base c. Okay, you must remember this is not a number, it's a function. Okay, it's different between function and and number. All right. So now log c, base 8, right? So we can directly compare what is inside here. So x plus 2 to the power of 2 equals to 2x plus 19. You reach a quadratic, right? This is what you need to pay attention. So because you have, usually you will do a question and you reach a quadratic. This is what you need to know for your syllabus. So x squared plus with 4x plus 4 equals to 2x plus 19, right? Plus 19. So x squared, 4x minus 2x, you have plus 2x. 4 minus 19, you have minus 15 equals to 0. Then you start to factorizing the quadratic. Then you have x. The best will be 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Negative, right? Either one will be negative, either one will be positive. Positive, negative is not suitable because the number here is positive. So the bigger number have to be positive and the smaller to be negative. So you have two solutions. You have x equals to negative 5, right? So this seems like this 2 is the solution for this case, right? So somehow you need to do some checking. You do some checking because the solution may not satisfy the equation, or this number, if you put inside the equation, you may get undefined, right? Undefined. For example, so when you said x is 3, all right? Okay, this one is a extra step. Okay, you may not need to write. I tell you later what to do, but for now I have to tell you the reason why I need to check, right? So log base 3. So you have 2 log. Okay, for this case you have left hand side, right? You have left hand side to be 2 log x plus 2 to the base 8. This is your left hand side. So if you substitute log 8, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, you have 5. So if you bring this 2 go up, you have 25, right? Log 25 base 8. So let's see the right hand side, right? Right hand side. So right hand side you have log 8, 2 times 3, right? 2 times 3 plus with 19. 6 plus 19, you will still get log 25 to the base 8. Can you see? Both sides are the same. So it means that x equals to 3 is the solution, right? This is the solution for this problem. How about negative 5? Okay, we cannot say, no, because it's negative, then we reject. You shouldn't do this way, okay? You need to be reason why you reject someone, okay? So let's say you have x equals to negative 5, right? Why you reject x is negative 5? Tell the examiner the reason why you reject. So x is negative 5. So the left hand side, you have 2 log base 8. You will find out something happened. You find out what do you find out? You get negative 3, right? As you remember that log b base a, the b will never be negative or not even 0. It must be a number that greater than 0, right? Greater than 0 or between 0 and 1. Okay? So you have to be greater than 0. Positive means something positive. This is negative. Already undefined for this left hand side, right? Means that negative 3 also already undefined. So if you want to check for this side also can. So 2 times negative 3, right? 2 times with 2 times with negative 5, you have negative 10. You get 9 here. But it's not okay for the left hand side, which is undefined. So this should not be the solution for this problem. So I can say that you can write x equals to negative 5 is not the solution for the above equation. So therefore, x is 3 is the only solution, right? So I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you can always ask your lecturer.